Okay, once again, good evening, everyone. Please tell me, am I audible so that I can adjust the volumes or things like that? Am I audible? Say yes. Oh, okay, I didn't activate the chat box. Just give me a minute, guys. Sorry, Pushpankar. Okay, now you can chat with me. Okay, so that should be good. Hi, good evening. Good evening, all. Thank you. Thank you for confirming. Just give me a minute. I'm adjusting a few things. Okay, great. So what are we analyzing today? Okay, right now we are seeing, guys, can you see the graph here? This is a graph I use every day. Okay, the levels, everything. So right now we are reviewing, guys, people who are in my private channel, do you know how much we made for the entire week? Just a quick question. Okay, entire week. Okay, basically our target used to make at least 1,000 points, 1,000 plus or 1,000 points a week, correct? Luckily, this week happens to be the most exciting week, and we were able to make 2,200 change. Yes, we did a double profit actually. Okay, so let's review that. Okay, so this call, what we are going to do, we are going to use the order flow analysis tool. Okay, what made me to take a call? Okay, and why I gave a trade on that. Okay, and then what are the areas? Okay, guys, I'm trying to speak in Hindi also because couple of people asked me. अगर मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा उतना नहीं है, फिर भी मैं ट्राई करूंगा. अगर कुछ गलती होने से प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी, माफ कर लो. Improvement के लिए you can give me any kind of a suggestion. I'll definitely take it up. Okay, superb, 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 superb. Okay, let me share. Okay, before that, guys, remember क्यों मैं a weekly call कर रहा हूँ? What is the agenda for this is, see, I don't want you guys to be dependent on me. Okay, I want you to be a purely independent trader. Like how I give it, you need to be able to take a trade on your own. So for that, what is the most important? You need to understand the market direction. How many people with me? How many people are with me? ओके, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ ये? क्योंकि देखिए, पूरा सिनेमा इंडस्ट्री जो है, करोड़ों करोड़ों का बिजनेस चल रहा है ना. फॉर एग्जांपल केजीएफ हिट मूवी, दैट मूवी द कोर कॉन्सेप्ट इज इमोशन ऑफ मदर सेंटिमेंट. गोल्ड. व्हाई? ही प्रॉमिस्ड टू हिज मदर. करेक्ट. सो एंटायर सिनेमा इंडस्ट्री, करोड़ों का बिजनेस जो चल रहा है, वो पूरा सेंटिमेंट के ऊपर चल रहा है. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू अंडरस्टैंड द मार्केट sentiment. Agree with me? So that's where order flow analysis comes to the picture, which gives the direction of the market, and it is our ability, our intellectual capacity to take the trade. Agree with me? Say yes, no. Come on, agree. I can justify why also. Okay, so let's move on. I'm not hearing anything from you, so which means I'm always right as usual. No, यार, मैं भी गलती करता हूँ, तो you need to give some yes, no, something like that. So you know, guys, even in the live trade, okay, live trade, I always chat with you guys. I read your chat. Okay, that importance I give it to you because I grow is a family. Okay, so we all are like brothers from another mothers. Okay, so we all are family in one or the other way, right? Like, okay, let's get into the direction. Why I asked direction, guys? Fridays में जो होता है ना, people who are watching my YouTube channel, Friday में हमको direction मिलता है. Okay, Friday मैं जो बात कर रहा हूँ 19 से, ये नया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो शुरू होने वाला है कल, that is Friday. Okay, the new contract previous week was 19th. Agree? यहाँ पे हमको डायरेक्शन मिला था. क्या डायरेक्शन? मार्केट गिर रहा है. मार्केट वाज इन अ मार्कडाउन फेज. ये देखिए, मैं अभी आपको 1 डे का कैंडल स्टिक लगा रहा हूँ. ओके गाइस, ओके, सो ये देखिए, यहाँ से ये 19th का है, मार्केट गिर रहा है ना. कितना पॉइंट्स गिरा यहाँ से? Okay, let me put this guy down. Yeah, and say 39,807. Guys, I will come to order flow analysis, but very important, आपका जो building construction पहले वो जो डालते हैं ना foundation, वो strong होना चाहिए. इसलिए मैं market के बारे में थोड़ा बात कर रहा हूँ. So please bear with me, okay? People who want directionally, sir, you better speak on order flow. I'm restless. Please hold on. Okay, I'll come there. Okay, हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे देखिए फ्राइडेज में हमको क्या मिलता है, मार्केट डायरेक्शन मिलता है. ये 5 दिन का ले लो, यहाँ पे क्या मिलता है, मार्केट डायरेक्शन मिलता है. गाइस, दिस इज वन ऑफ द ट्रिक इन द ट्रेड. Okay, trick in the trade you need to understand. Okay, so you got the direction. Okay, यहाँ पे reverse हुआ था. Okay, reverse हुआ था, वो बाद में मैं क्यों reverse हुआ था, we will talk about that in detail if we have a time. Otherwise you can ping me, and people who have taken the course, every Saturdays I'm planning to have a call. We will discuss more in detail. Okay, so right now अभी देखिए 19 को हमको मार्केट का डायरेक्शन सेंटीमेंट जो हुआ था वो नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में मिल रहा था. So that's the reason we took on that a ट्रेड बिग ट्रेड कितना होता, 865 पॉइंट्स. आप यूट्यूब में जाइए. ओके, गो टू द यूट्यूब चैनल, गो चेक इन द कमेंट्स. ओके, कमेंट बॉक्स, वो जो कमेंट डालते हैं ना वहां पे कुछ लिख के, सो वहां पे आप चेक कीजिएगा, वहां पे पूरा स्ट्राइक के साथ डिटेल रहेगा. और मेरा प्राइवेट चैनल में एंट्री का टाइम, एग्जिट का टाइम पूरा पूरा डॉक्यूमेंटेड है. Okay, everything I go with the evidence because I am from a data driven portfolio. Okay, and that's one thing. Okay, यहाँ पे हमको मिला था. So that day we made 865 points. Okay, at least guys, I'll come to the next point. And next day यहाँ पे फिर market गिर रहा था, ये gap down हुआ था. I was waiting for few things, but again market was down, so we were able to make 407. मैं कोई गाड़ी का नंबर नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मॉडल का नंबर. 407 was the point we got on that day, second day. Okay, already in 2 days we crossed 1200 points. 1000 was a target we crossed. Okay, and then market यहाँ पे gap down खुला था, but it pulled all the way up. Okay, we will come to that picture there. Okay, on 23rd 22nd है ना, 23rd 24 25. Okay, यहाँ पे ये मार्केट फिर से डायरेक्शन चेंज हो गया, बट स्टिल द मार्केट वाज बिलो ऑन फ्राइडेज ओपन. ओके, below on Friday's open. Okay, now it's time to get into what, guys? Order flow. Abhi 7 minutes you are, guy. Let me talk more. Okay, let me bug you more like many people they talk. Do you want to get bugged or do you want to go to the point, guys? Okay, many people are like, okay, you go on, I'm listening. Okay, fine. So Yampe, I'll just put the breakdowns and things like that. Let me go with the 15 minutes chart. Okay, guys, I don't use many major. No, sir, I don't use any major like indicators or things like that. I use a simple concept called common sense. Okay, so using a tool called order flow analysis. Yes. So Yampe 19th kata. I'm just trying to get this guy done. Okay, 19th. Okay, 19th. This is where we started. The first call came in at what time? Let me check on that. Okay, so let me come to order flow. Let me pull this guy. I have multiple screens, guys. Okay, let me share this for you. This is called order flow analysis. So before that, I want to show you the market uh, market portfolio. Okay, so I'm just sharing that the chart. We will go slowly. Okay, sir, please go slow. Okay, sir, I'll go slow. Okay, let me put myself in the other corner. Okay, so first we will discuss on Bank Nifty, guys. Then we will, if we have time permit, we will go. Guys, this is the order flow I use, okay, to understand the market direction, which we spoke there, okay, which we spoke there. And then let me adjust this timing. Okay, so don't mind, just hold on for a minute. Okay, generally I use 30 minutes time frame. Yes. So are you using the order flow already? It's easy for you to understand. Yeah, trying to get this guy here. Okay, guys, can you see this is the second trade we got it here, and what is the volume also I will show to you. Just give me a minute. My settings cannot be changed, guys, so you need to bear with me. This is a footprint chart, okay? Footprint chart which I use to understand. Let me come back. This guy is not moving. Just give me a minute. I'll go one by one. Hold on, sir. Just hold on. Just hold on. Okay. I think this is a better option. Where are we? We were talking about 19th, correct, guys? On 19th, how many trades we got it actually? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. 19th. Yeah, camera is disturbing for me also. Just give me a minute. Let me switch off the video for a while. Okay. Okay, on 19th, I gave a first trade on 1916. Okay, 1916, the first trade was 40,000 PE. How many people who traded? I think Pushpankar, I think you were there, and Arun also was there, and Shankar was holding for a longer time. Okay, it went easily 200 points, easily was holding for the entire day. Remember, I told you the stop loss. Where was the stop loss I've given? I gave the stop loss here. Okay, this is 19th. Okay, I told this is a stop loss. It never hit the stop loss. Okay, this was a stop loss, guys. I'll show it to you in the other chart. Okay, so right now we will go 19th. Okay, sir, just want to know in the meantime, while you do that, how much we did for the week, how a quick breakout. Okay, so on 19th, we got 865 points, and 22nd, we got 407, and 23rd, we got 200, and 24th, I think 24th, I was not, I just gave for 2, 3 trades and I vanished because I had some personal work. 120 points, and today we crossed 625 plus couple of people who chatted with me. They got some 40 50 1 trade, people who missed out, things like that, right? So I'm coming. Okay, so this is the 19th chart. If you guys can see the footprints volume. Okay, so here we go. Okay, this is the stop loss I gave it. What was the stop loss? Let me show it to you on this, because this was the beginning. Okay, because tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is a fresh trade to start. Okay, so this is a little fudgy with go charting, guys. You need to enlarge it very big. Okay, this is a problem. That's the reason I don't use it while in the live trade, because people who are in the live, right, they become very very curious, and to get confusion, it's very easy. Okay, I don't want anybody to get confused. That's the reason I don't show it in this time. Okay, so these are the deltas. Okay, delta, what we play, guys, in order flow analysis. What is order flow analysis? Basically, this will give you the order as it flows. Okay, so basically this is not a limit orders. Okay, there are 3 kind of orders. Right now we will discuss only 2. Okay, limit order is something by what you see in the in your broker. Okay, bid and ask, basically. Okay, the best buy price and the best sell price, which has all been placed like GTT. Okay, so that order is not visible in order flow. Okay, so what we see right now is the market order. Market order is randomly as the flows goes in, they take it up. Okay, so that's all about number of buy and sell and things like that. So guys, the reason, okay, you see this timing, okay, I'm using at 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. Let me I'm trying to get this done. Okay, if I crunch it up, you guys can't see. That's the problem. Okay, that's the problem. I need to. So this is where the first trade gave at 40,000. Okay, 40,000 PE is here. Okay, 40,000 PE, which I gave it. The entry was at 500. All the way it went. How much, guys? 1200 actually, end of the day. If you guys could notice, okay, it went all the day, all the way went down. And where did I give the stop loss? Here is the stop loss I gave it. Okay, people who are smart enough, they will understand what I'm talking, and people who attend my call every day, they will understand much faster. Okay, first time, just hold on, it will take time. Okay, it will be like a rocket science for you guys. Guys, this is a 5 minutes candle. Okay, I gave it at 9:16. Okay, 9:16 I gave the trade, and here it was. Okay, here it was, and the stop loss was this, and all the way he never triggered the stop loss. All the way he went. Okay, here, sorry, this is 19th. Yeah, this is the stop loss and never hit up, and it is there in the recording. Okay, in the YouTube you can cross check it. I'm not bluffing. Okay, it is in the recording, everything is evident. Okay, all the way it went. We took a first trade at 40,000 from here, and what was the delta we used? Okay, that's very important. I know sir, I'm coming to the point. Okay, I'm trying to figure out this place. Okay, it's 30 minutes. So anything 6.7, 6x, okay, 6 digits are very good enough to move further. At the same time, there is I use multiple order flow charts, guys. People who are first time, it'll be like a colorful, but people who know this order flow and who are taken the course and they are into it, they know in and out of it already. Okay, so that's one thing. So here is where we took it. Okay, here is where we took it, and I'll just go run through, and then any questions, 10 minutes. Okay, guys, you can ask me. What is anything as such? We will run through. We will try to crunch it up as soon as possible, because I have other call also. Okay, so this is one trade. Okay, this is the footprint chart which I'm using. Footprint charts will tell you basically the orders on flow based on the breakdown. Okay, based on the benchmark volume, we need to take a trade. Okay, so that's very, very important. Okay, and then this was on 19. This is the 6x was a confirmation which we started trading on this level. Okay, on this level, where is that 6 okay, okay, I'm trying. Okay, this is a point where we started trading on 19th. Okay, basically Friday is a fresh contract beginnings, we will get direction. Okay, that's very, very important. People who want to be an independent trader, you need to be very caution on Fridays, because that will give you almost very good direction. Okay, people who hold for the entire week, some people I told 1800 P Nifty to hold for 3 days. Okay, I think Shankar made 300, 200 points in that. Yes. So that's the thing. Okay. And coming to the next. Okay, and that was a 19th. Okay, let me share the other screen for you. Okay, and again, 19th. Guys, in the live also, I use 5 minutes only. Okay, this was on Monday also. On 13th, we got how many trade, guys? Very important. On 19th, sorry, 1, 2, we got 40,000 and 39,400 PE, and then we waited for it to activate and book and close at 39,051. These are the levels I'm talking about, which we book the profit. Okay, so these are the levels which I was asking you guys. 51. Please check in the Telegram channel. All the detail is there. This is a layer I was saying, book and close it. Okay. Still, it went on 50, 60 points. It's okay. It's okay. On 22nd, okay, on 22nd, we got how many trade? Again, we traded on 39,000 PE. Okay, one, and then to second trade was 38,900. Okay, we got beautifully three trades. Yes, three trades we traded again on this level. Okay, on 22nd again. I think here was the second one I gave it to you. Third one here. Okay. Okay, on that day we made 407. So let's check on the volume. Okay, again the sentiment is down. It's in the markdown phase. Guys, see here the market is in the markdown phase. This is the reason I told for the Nifty traders who ping me. Okay, Nifty also is the same. Okay, almost. Let me show you to Nifty. Nifty, I asked Shankar to hold it. He made 200 points, guys. Okay, this is 19th. Okay, here all the way it went down. Okay, this is where he entered. He pinged me around, I think 12 or something, or some range. He pinged me. So he made 200 by holding for 2 to 3 days. Okay, so again Nifty is down. And the next one came in was on Delta. Okay, let me share the other screen. And today, okay, this was again, we made a 400 change points on 22nd, and then 200 on this. I think one day I was missing on 120 points. That is on 23rd. Yeah, 24th, I'm sorry. 24th was there, 24th. And today we made around 625 points. Okay, so that's the thing. And these are the volumes which we used to identify the thing. Guys, I'm really literally sorry. I'm trying to show you this volumes, okay? Because as you guys can see, I'm not able to crunch it. Okay, let me just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. This is what is that, sir? Your question is not clear, so we will take that question later. Because can you just reframe it, please? 20th was here. It's a big fall. We traded on 40,000 here, and then 22nd. Okay, so actually, guys, it's very important to understand the order flow analysis, because why after using so many tools I hook up on this is basically it's all black and white in front of you. How much is a volume? Especially for the scalpers. Okay, today was a scalpers day. The market was almost like sideways. Okay, the scalpers day. People who are using scalper, basically they can make like 10-20 points easily using order flow. For scalpers, it's like a boom. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to get this. Just give me a minute. Okay, let's shut that fellow. Otherwise, well, let's use the other one. This is a volume, guys. The chart, what you see right now, it's a volume. Okay, so I was not able to show you on the footprint, but don't worry. By next week, I'll figure out that. Okay, I'll figure out that and show it to you. These are the personal settings. Okay, these are the personal settings which it's been done. On top of it is a point, and you can see the number of delta plus and minus. Guys, this is a buy volume and the sell volume. This is a volume overall. Okay, so I want to show you something. Okay. Okay, but unfortunately, I'm really sorry. I'm not able to show you on the footprint charts, but don't worry. On by next week, I'll try to figure this up. Okay, I'll try to figure this up. Oh, okay, not able to see. Okay, oh, I'm sorry. Shiv, thanks for pinging. Okay, I didn't share, but I was working on order flow. I'm really sorry on this. Okay, what I mean to say is, can you see the chat, guys? Say yes now. Sh Shiv? Yes, okay. See, this is the footprint, okay, which I want to show you the breakground level on the timely basis where I took a trade. See, unfortunately, I'm not able to show it to you. Maybe today I decided in the call, okay, to do this drill, okay, but maybe I need to work on this. By next week, I will ensure that this is up and ready. What was that, Pushpankar? Fall on last 45 minutes, is it was showing in the order flow? You're talking about last 45 minutes. Was it today, Pushpankar? Today's graph you're talking about? Yes, sir. Okay. See, here I'm not able to show it to you. Okay, but I'll try to figure out here because, okay, yes. Fall on 45 minutes. Okay, let me figure out from this level because it's little wacky. Okay, I'll sort that question for you. Uh, okay, guys, a quick question. I'll start taking the question. Okay, first let's starts with I'll start with Pushpankar. We'll take another five to 10 minutes, and we'll wind up the call because unfortunately I'm not able to show this thing which I want to show it to you. But don't worry. By next week, okay, by next week I will ensure this has been sorted out, and we will do this drill every week. Okay. So now let me take first question from Pushpankar. It says. Last 45 minutes, correct? That starts from what time? Pushpankar, let me show it to you on the other way. Okay, see, first thing you need to understand, you can't keep staring the order flow all the time, okay, all the time. Remember, I gave you the support zone. Can you also give one stock option call daily? Yeah, sure, we can do that, Prashant. Yeah, we can do that. One. You want stock, right? We can do that. Let me finish this. Okay. So, see, I clearly told this is the thing in the morning, right? So basically, this was a good support zone. See, two things in order flow. Okay. You need to identify where is the support zone and things like that. Okay. So basically, in order flow, if you take 1 hour of your candle, okay, becomes the IV range. Okay. So let's plot this up. Okay. So this is something like a trick, which is universally known. Who people who know basic of order flow, they know that first hours of order flow is nothing but IV range, initial balance. It's written. Okay, so basically you're talking about the confirmation here falling off, right? Okay, so I presume this is what you're talking about. If not, let me know. Okay, now let me go to the order flow. So let me put 30, 30, 30, 30 timing change. I'll put 15 minutes. Okay, so that 3 candles lesser, we will come to know what is the delta volume. Okay, so our support zone was first 1 hour. That is this range. Okay, this I marked it. Okay, this I used a pre-written data. This is the marking I do. Okay. Okay, so here is the thing. Okay, so basically basically you charted me. Okay, yes, I remember, but around 1:57 p.m. there was some sentiments of the news and it started falling. Okay, basically yes, it happens. We call it as systematic risk. Okay, so basically in it's called a systematic risk. So now what happens, the support zone, it got started falling. Okay, it started falling. Remember I told this will tag this zone, Pushpankar. I don't remember the level I gave it to you. Okay, I gave it to you this level. It will. I'm so sorry on that. Okay, so I gave you this level will pull back, correct? Some level I gave you, and it started falling after that. Once this was a support. Okay, now let's see what confirmation we had on the volume here. Okay. Okay, we had 16,000. Guys, what you see in the candle, left side is a sellers and the right side is a buyers. Okay, so we have some benchmarks on the volume, which gives a confirmation. We will work on that by next week. Right now, I'm just going through. Okay, see, basically, once the support zone, this is broken out, right? We will see the volume. We'll see volume is a 10K, 7K, 13K. Okay, this is higher. The sellers are dominating. Okay, sellers are dominating consecutively. If you see, the delta volume also was negative. I think almost like 3 lakhs. It's sorted out today, correct? So that was a confirmation, Pushpankar, for yeah, 39,438. Okay, 39,438. That's level I gave it to you, correct? 39,438. Okay, you see the candle round a lot here, right? 438. This level. Okay, this level, correct? You know, it started rotating here itself and it started falling because that was I didn't see much strength of buyers. Basically, we didn't have a aggressive buyers there. So this was a confirmation where gave it for and the market started falling. Okay. So in detail, we will do from next week. And what any other questions, guys? Next question, anybody have? Let me know. It was a level given by you. Yeah, 39,438 was a level given and it was dancing here and it pulled back all the way down. Yes, hardly about 50 points event, right? Okay, so guys, just a quick recap. Okay, just a quick recap. I'm just trying to do this drill from next week properly because unfortunately I was not able to show you to you guys this things because I'll work on the sentiment and get back to you. So just a quick recap from 19th to 25th of August. We were able to cross 220, 2,200 points. Okay, so which is a double then we speak. Your talking style is nice, bro. Thank you, Shiv. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Okay, so this way, guys, every week we have a target. Okay, we have a target of doing 1,000 points in options. Okay, irrespective of call or buy. Okay, first thing you remember. Okay, when you are trading with me, you should not have any kind of an emotions. Either market goes up or down, we should be in the position of making money and ending up a day in green. Okay, I believe in spirituality. I always say, people, guys, come with the subconsciousness saying that today I'm going to end my day in green. That's very, 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 very important. Okay, and that's one thing. Okay, we will talk more. So coming back to the topic, 1,000 points plus. Okay, 1,000 is average, 1,000 plus we need to do every week. That's our target, and this week we were able to make cross 2,000. Okay, 2,200 points, and everything is documented, is available in YouTube, Instagram, Quora, Twitter. Okay, almost even in the Facebook, everything is documented and it's listed there. Okay, that's what I want to make this point. Okay, and unfortunately, I'm really sorry for the viewers and traders who join. I was not able to show you on this chart, but don't worry. By next week, I'll figure out how to do, and I will ensure this is being sorted out. Okay. So far, this is the one which I'm using it right now to display for you. And guys, yes, market sentiment is very, very important to understand because if you don't know the market direction, you cannot trade. Okay, you cannot trade. Like for example, what Pushpankar got up right now, there was a news at 157, market started falling. Yes, it's called a systematic risk. Okay, the systematic risk, how you can mitigate is by using the resistance support. Okay, support and resistance. So that will act as one kind of an evidence for you. And order flow basically will give you who are the aggressive, either the buyers are aggressive or sellers are aggressive for the day. Okay, so that's very, very important. Okay, so guys, any quick question you guys have, let me know. Okay, otherwise we'll wind up the call. Okay, any questions, anything as such? No. Okay, superb. So there was one request came and you want to one stock every day. Correct, Prashant? Don't worry, I will try to add it. Prashant, if you have any stock, okay, any stock in advance, give it to me at 8:45 and 9 o'clock, because I keep my system ready, everything, so that I can add it in the watch list. So it'll be very, very easy for me to do so. In case if you have a favorite stock, or if you feel any stock is moving towards, with a high volume, or for example Nifty 50 stock, which has the higher moving in the higher term or a lower term, plus or minus, okay, you share it with me. I will see, I will give it to you, what is a target, what is an entry, and stop loss as such. Okay. Or else I'm saying, in case if you have any particular stock in your mind or in your watch list which you want to trade, because I remember there was one of my friend always was looking for Sun TV. Okay, I used to give him trade, at least 3 trade or 4 trade in a week for him. Yes. Sure, sure, sir. We'll do that. Yeah, just give me any stock, if in case if you have it in your thing. Okay, so that will be very, very helpful. Humble request to you, guide me how to learn this, and please spare some minutes of yours to have calls, conversation in weekends if you have some spare time. Yes, Saturday basically I'm trying to fix up Pushpankar, so that I spend some time with my students, where I want to particularly work on Q&A, because I don't want to. Uh, they paid, or they are spending time with me. I don't want them to go empty handed. I want them to learn. Okay, so that it's easy, it's easy. I want to have that kind of a community. I have a bigger goal, where I want people to stay with me for at least 5 years and end up making least to the least 1 crore. Okay, to the least. Okay, so it's like happy trading, happy money. So that's the goal for me. All right, guys, we'll catch up tomorrow. Tomorrow is a fresh contract. Before you end up the call, let me tell you something again. Tips for you guys: watch out for the direction. Okay, watch out for the direction. Uh, Something like this. Okay, it's a tip for the day. Okay, a tip for the day. How to join with you, bro? Shiv, all you got to do is just go to these. For example, igrowtraders.com. Okay, .co.in. Okay, that's me. Yes. Okay, just go to the course, click on this. You need to sign up for this course. Okay, and once you sign up, here are the dates. Okay, you need to log in, and 25th today, 26th. Okay, once you log in, you need to click on this 26th, and you can start joining. Okay, the room will be open at 9 o'clock, and we will start at 9:05 sharp. Okay, so this is the drill we do every day. And once you sign up, just let me know. I will add it to the private group. Okay, once you are in the private group, all the whatever the live trade I gave it in the over the call, the same thing will be printed there in the private channel, because some people will get confused. Today I gave 4 trade. Okay, I know confusion happens, because I was in your stage before. Okay, so I know how it feels. So in case if you get confused, like 38,900 or 38,400, what did you say? You get confused, right? That's the reason I gave it in the private group, so that in case if you miss anything, you can copy there, or I give some instruction, wait for it to trigger. Okay, things like that. So let me know, I will add it to you in the private channel. So that's one thing. Okay, uh okay, well, where I was in this very important tips, guys. Okay, tomorrow I will repeat the same till it goes to your subconscious. Okay, I will not leave you guys. Tomorrow again I will repeat this. Guys, remember, Fridays are the fresh contracts. Fresh contracts happens two things. Okay, what happens previously? Okay, previously people, they say it is zero, it is over. No, there are some corrections happens. Okay, that is where it will be sideways. When there is a sideways, okay, on Fridays, think there is some done job, or the job which has been not done. It is happening, so you need to hold on to identify the direction. You should not trade on that with a bigger volume, or wait for more than 150 points. Okay, that's one important point. See, right now, in this 19th is a very best example. The market gave a direction here. Okay, the market gave this direction, which means the market is negative. But still, if you guys see, the market is still negative only, did not cross the Friday's contract. That is very important. Okay, so What we need to do, again, the market came here and bounced from this level, correct? It bounced from what level? 3,800. Let's consider 38,000 to 39,400. Okay, which is almost like how many? 1,400 points easily. Okay, 1,400 points, it bounced back. What are the confirmation? If you see, we were trading in all the ways. Okay, the market is up move from here. It's a markup phase. Okay, the market is trending upside. Okay, this kind of a confirmation, okay, can be taken up. Okay, from the order flow. This is where order flow will act as a guide for us, where will identify with a certain rules, okay, certain principles. Okay, we will understand the market direction. So for 1 or 2 days we need to observe, or on Fridays, basically when the contract is fresh beginning, okay, we will get the market direction. That is very, very important. Here you see the market is, though the market is dancing, the market is moving. Here market was down at certain strong support zone. Okay, this is called value area. Okay, it bounced here. All these things we will talk in detail as the days goes on. Okay, any question on this, guys? Any question? Yes, no? Guys, you need to be active, okay, with me. If, even in the live call, even in the thing, okay, I want you guys have one good trade in a day. Okay, one good trade. You need to trade with me if you are with me. Otherwise, don't join. Don't waste your money. Okay, don't waste your time. Even if you waste your money, I'm totally fine, but don't waste your time being with me. Okay, you need to take at least one good trade with me. If you're not able to take a trade in the live, please ping me. Okay, please ping me. Okay, so that at least some work is happening. So that's very important. Okay, you need to be active with me when you're there. You need to ask question. Otherwise, no point of being with me. Okay, all right, so fine, guys. Let's catch up tomorrow. Okay, live at 9:59. Okay, and we will see what we can do tomorrow. And it's a fresh contracts. And for the folks who are listening to me patiently, I seriously adore you guys. Okay, whatever I speak, you guys are listening to me. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening, and with your family, spend time with your family. You have a very positive attitude, and you motivate me a lot. Okay, thank you, bro. Superb, superb. Thank you guys for the feedback. Please log into iGrow Traders and give some feedback there also, so that people like you who can join more and more and more. All right. So we'll catch up tomorrow. Until then, take care, sweet dreams, have fun, and be safe, stay safe, have fun, and we'll catch up tomorrow morning at 9:95. Okay. Happy trading, happy money. Take care. Bye bye.